Hey, it's Sasha Evdokov. Thanks for joining me in this week's episode of TRADERSFLY TV. In this lesson, I want to share with you why you get some nice bounces or pops after a stock has had a huge or major sell-off. Some people do not understand that, stocks do not go in a straight line. They don't go straight down, nor do they go straight up. They take a waveform pattern in order to get to their destination. And in this waveform pattern, there's a trend. So you can take the highest of the highs, go to where it is now, and you can see whether it's moving downward or moving upward. Now this trend, this is called a trend in simple terms, is showing you who is in control. That's what a trend tells you. It tells you who's in control. Is it the bulls or is it the bears? The people that are looking for the stock to go up or looking for the stock to go down. So once you have this trend, later you have stock market pops after a major sell-off. So if a stock is having a major sell-off and then it does a little pop, this little pop is called a retracement. Now you'll get these little pops frequently in the stock market or any stock that you're purchasing or selling because they don't go straight up nor do they go straight down. So these little pops called retracements retrace back to certain levels, sometimes to a 50% level, sometimes a 1-to-1 even, all the way back up to the previous highs. Now just because a stock retraces to a 50% level back halfway to where it was, doesn't mean, the stock is going to continue going higher. It just means that the huge amount of people that sold it or shorted the stock first for it to go down, it means they're taking profits. It means they're selling maybe half of their shares, maybe a third of their shares. This is how the market works. And you'll slowly see the stock start climbing back up, start getting a little bit higher. And a lot of people will start thinking, usually the beginners, will start thinking, hey, this stock is going higher. Hey, this stock is going to be going higher, beyond what it was before. But chances are it's going to continue and roll back over. So if you have a major sell-off, stock has went down and now you see it popping and it's moving slowly, be prepared for that next leg to also go down because this is what stocks do. They build some cause and later have the effect. So it all comes down to cause and effect. Where are more people? So think of it like a balance beam or a seesaw. Okay, the more people are on one side, the more it'll whip and snap to the other side. So that's why you want to always be cautious and be careful to know where is that volume, to know where is the stock going, where's the trend, who's in control. If you know who's in control, you know where the momentum play is. If you don't know who's in control, then you should say next, move on, go to the next stock. If you can't find the trend, if you can't find the pattern, skip it. There's many stocks out there that have good setups or have setups that you can find that may be better or working better in your favor. So that's what happens is you have this huge sell-off. When you have a huge sell-off, you'll get the retracement, and it's not that a lot of people are buying. It's the fact that these shorts or people that were short, they're now taking profits, and this causes that stock to run up a little bit higher. So take a look at this example. You can tell that this stock right here had a major sell-off right here in this point. And later we have a retracement. But then what happens later? The stock continues to sell off further, showing you its weaker hand, telling you that the bears are still in control. So there you go. If you didn't know why stocks would pop higher after a huge major sell-off, that's the reason. It's because people are taking some profits. The shorts are taking profits. It's not that there's buyers. I mean, there may be some buyers, but more or less it's people taking profits, causing that stock to ride up slowly, but eventually you see the sell-off happening, showing you really who's in control. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to see more videos like this one, or you want to see the stocks that I'm watching in the current market condition, then go ahead, click this link right here, enter your name and email address when you get there, and I'll send you my market recaps absolutely for free when they're released. And if you want to condense your trading education, you want to speed it up, you want to learn a lot of information all in one sitting, then check out some of my video training courses at TRADERSFLY.com. Thanks for watching, and remember to do what you love, contribute to others, and most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time.